Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel today. Of course, we're down here in beautiful Arizona, still loving it. We're going to do a wonderful, fun recipe today. It's one pot meal, chicken thighs that I prepared and seasoned ahead of time with your favorite chicken seasoning, and all kinds of fresh vegetables and potatoes and onions. And of course, my wonderful seasoning that I love. It's a Bragg seasoning. And of course, cream of mushroom soup. Like I said, this is incredibly simple, and don't need to go ahead and brown the chicken ahead of time. We're just going to put it in my 10-inch cast iron that I've got ready here, and I have put a little bit of oil in the bottom of it. And just remember to subscribe. We hope you're loving this with us today. We're certainly going to have a wonderful, easy meal with chicken. So many things you can do with it. Just remember to subscribe, share, and hit that like button. Okay. Of course, these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I love to cook with. We're going to put those on there. Like I said, you can put your favorite chicken seasoning. I kind of like this pecan seasoning. And now I'm going to put onions, thinly sliced onions, whatever onion you like to use. We kind of lean towards the red ones. And then thinly sliced potatoes. We're going to kind of sprinkle those over. And then we're going to let this cook at 350 for about an hour. It is going to take about an hour. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my vegetables. What I got going on here is corn and peas. We're going to put that on there. And of course, carrots. Love those carrots. You know, and this is so incredibly easy to make when you're up in the mountains camping. Or you can make it in your backyard. Whatever you like to do. There are no rules. Or if you don't want to do it outside and the weather's not so good, you can do this inside in your oven. Okay, now we're just going to take this cream of chicken soup. Pour this evenly over the top. And you don't dilute it. As you can see, I'm using this right out of the can. And just spread this really nicely over the top. Of course, you know, we put the lid on and let this bake at 350. Over briquettes, we're doing this over briquettes today, or you can do it over coals. There you go. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, and when it's finished, and you can enjoy dinner with this. I bet you wish you could enjoy dinner with us. Boy, doesn't this look yummy. I wanted to tell you also, we got flies coming around, the silly things, that if you want to do something, you can make this into a chicken pot pie and put biscuits on top. And it did take about an hour at 350. You have to keep checking it. And just remember, we have a website. It's WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. If you go to that website, we have a user's guide. It gives you all care and tips on taking care of your cast iron, and a free recipe book. Of course, I'm going to take a bite of this, and it is going to be wonderful. Oh my, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times, and this is really something yummy to share with your family and friends. Until we meet again, and remember, if you subscribe every Tuesday, we got a new one coming out for you.